To a tutorial that I have in a videotape, and I wanted to share with you a workaround on how to make icons that are you can make any different kind of icons you want, but I'm going to show you it on the online version, and it's a free version that you use on your iPhone or your Android. You can only do it with those. You cannot do it online because it doesn't work online. Now what you first do is you grab the logo, because that's perfect size to use this technique. You can pick through here what you want, but you want to pick it so it looks like an icon, so it's like you don't want to pick something like that, really. Not like that either. More something like this. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did. I wanted just round circles, plain old round circles, and I put it, and I made it go real small. I don't know the measurements. I just made sure they were all even. Maybe they're not even, but I just made them like this. Okay, and then I changed the color, of course, to my brand colors. Oops. We gotta put them in real quick. I want to show you this because I'm going to show you the examples of what I've done. Okay, and you do that, and let's say we're going to add text. And you're going to say something like, you're going to say, you want to say something that's covers a lot, that you'd only have to have a few icons. Design, let's do that. And center it. And this is the same way as doing it on the app. It's just there's one thing different. This is my one thing different. I like this right here. This is my favorite thing. Okay, and we're gonna change it to white. That's not my brand color, but we're gonna just do it here. And we're gonna measure it. It's in the middle now. Okay, so we got our little icon here. And when the paid version, you can download anything and get a transparency background. You don't have to have a background solid. Okay, on the app, you can download it to a JPEG file, a PNG file. You don't want to do PDF, obviously, and you can download it to a JPEG file, and you see download. It doesn't tell you if you want transparency or solid, because you have to pay for the paid version, and I did pay for it, and I did not like it because it didn't have a lot to offer that the free version doesn't. That is fine with me. So when you're on the iPhone or Android, it will ask you what file do you want it in, and then it will ask you, do you want it transparent or do you want a solid background? And I put transparent, and you can see they came up transparent. They all came up transparent. And that is the easiest way to make your favorite icons. And like I said, you can do the layouts here, and you can do this one. Replace it. You can do this one, and it's really cute. You can do whatever you want and stuff like that, and make your own design. But you want to, of course, make it smaller than the logo does, so it fits your. If you know how to do the measurements, then you'll have no problem. But this is how you work around on the free version about how to get icons with a transparent background to work for you without having to pay for it. I hope you liked my tutorial. I'm going to have it written down on my post to remind you again that you can only do it on the iPhone or Android app. And I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a comment or subscribe to my website, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.